Welcome to lesson number 5, Ad-Darsul Khamisu, from the book Madinah Arabic Reader Book 1. Below we have a conversation. Let's have a look at the conversation below. Sa'id says, أكتاب محمد هذا يا ياسر? Is this the book of Muhammad, O Yasir? So previously we learnt is used to ask a question, istifham. Akitabu Muhammad, is the book of Muhammad. Is this the book of Muhammad? So hada here is giving the meaning of this. Kitabu Muhammad means book of Muhammad. Mudaf ilayh. Ya use for nida to call out to someone. Yasir, O Yasir. So is this the book of Muhammad, O Yasir? Yasir says, La. No. هذا كتاب حامد. This is the book of Hamid. Yeah. So wherever you find a phrase such as this, book of, hat of appears, generally this is the murakkab idafi possessive phrase. The one who possesses the item is referred to as the mudaf ilayh, and the item that is possessed is the mudaf. The mudaf ilayh, i.e. the item to whom the item belongs, will be majroor, i.e. its ending will have the i'rab of jar. Here, if it's a singular noun, name, normally it will end with a kasra. So here let's have a look. Kitabu Hamidin. The item that is possessed is the book. Who is the possessor? Hamid. Yeah, so Hamid, the possessor, will be majroor. Let's have a look. Hamidin. Yeah, see, the final letter dal has a kasra. Yeah, tanween. So the mudaf ilayh, generally its ending will have a kasra. Yeah, if it's a singular noun, mudaf ilayh. So Kitabu Hamidin, book of Hamid. Yeah, so this is a phrase, possessive phrase, known as murakkab idafi. La hada kitabu Hamidin. No, this is the book of Hamid. Okay, Yasir says, La means no. Hada kitabu Hamidin. This is the book of Hamid. Sa'id says, Aina kitabu Muhammadin? Where is the book of Muhammad? Yasir, Huwa tahta al-maktabi hunak. He says, it is under the desk over there. Hunak means over there. Huna means here, and hunak means over there. Yeah, if some item is at a distance, one will use hunak. Yeah? But if it is close, near, then he can use huna. Yeah. Huwa tahta al-maktab, tahta, under. Yeah, under. Huwa tahta al-maktabi hunak. It is under the desk over there. Sa'id says, Aina daftaru Ammar? Where is the register of Ammar? So here daftaru Ammar, mudaf ilayh. Daftar is the mudaf. Who is the possessor of the register? Ammar. Yeah, so Ammar is majroor. You can see the sign of jar, the kasra and the ra. Ammarin. So daftaru Ammarin. Aina daftaru Ammarin? أين دفتر عمار? Where is the register of Ammar? Yasir. هو على مكتب المدرس. It is on the desk of the mudarris teacher. And remember, the mudaf, item that is possessed in a possessive phrase, will not have an alif lam, will not begin with an alif lam, but the mudaf ilayh can have an alif lam. So here look at this, maktabil mudarrisi. It's not al maktabil mudarrisi. Huwa, it is ala on maktabil mudarrisi, the desk of the teacher. So maktab is the mudaf, item that is possessed. Who is the possessor? Who is the item linked to? The desk. Mudarris, the teacher. So the mudaf ilayh will have the sign of jar at the end. Seen has a kasra. This is the sign of jar. And maktab here does not have alif lam, because it's the mudaf, and the rule is that the mudaf, item that is possessed, will not begin with an alif lam. Sa'id, qalamu man hadha ya Ali? Pen of whom is this, O Ali? Yeah. Whose pen is this, O Ali? Yeah. Man here will give the meaning of who, used to ask a question. This man, when it's used for asking a question, it will be used, it is used to ask about a human, animate, so a human being. Man who. Qalamu man hadha ya Ali? Who does this pen belong to, O Ali? Ali says, Hadha, this qalamul mudarrisi, is the pen of the teacher. Qalam here is mudaf, al mudarris mudaf ilayh. And qalam, item that is possessed, will not begin with alif lam. Mudaf ilayh can begin with alif lam. Qalamul mudarrisi. And the final letter will have a kasra generally. So mudarrisi. The final letter of the mudaf ilayh will generally have a kasra. So qalamul mudarrisi, pen of the teacher. This is the pen of the teacher. Sa'id says, Aina haqibatul mudarrisi? Haqiba, bag. Where is the bag of the teacher? Ali says, Hiya tahtal maktabi. It is below the desk. Hiya tahtal maktabi. It is under the desk. It is under the desk. So we see here, hiya has been used. Hiya is a pronoun dhamir used for singular feminine. And hiya is going back to haqiba. Haqiba, this word is feminine, mu'annath. How do we know? Due to its final letter, the rounded ta. This is a sign that this word is feminine. This rounded ta appears at the end of feminine nouns. So hence the pronoun used will also be feminine. In accordance with the noun, hiya is going back to haqiba. Hiya pronoun used for singular feminine third person. Here it is تحت المكتب, under the desk. تمارين أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. Answer the following questions You can have a look at this yourselves. Aina kitabu Muhammadin, where is the book of Muhammad? So the pronoun you will use for the book is huwa, yeah, because kitab is mudhakkar, masculine, so the pronoun will also be mudhakkar, masculine, huwa, yeah. Aina kitabu Ammarin, where is the book of Ammar? Yeah, so let's answer these three questions. So Aina kitabu Muhammadin, let's have a look. Huwa tahta al-maktabi, so you can say Huwa tahta al-maktabi, it is under the desk, yeah. Aina kitabu Ammarin, where is the book of Ammar? Aina daftaru Ammar, where is the register of Ammar? Huwa ala maktabil mudarrisi. Yeah, so ala means upon, so you can say huwa ala maktabil mudarrisi. Aina haqibatul mudarrisi, where is the bag of the teacher? Hiya tahta al-maktabi, it is under the desk. Okay, have a look at this. Rewrite the two words in each group so that the second word is in the possessive form. Kitabun Muhammadun. So Kitabu Muhammadin, yeah, book of Muhammad. Item that is possessed is Kitab, the book, and the possessor is here is Muhammad, and the possessor is the final letter will have the i'rab of jar, which is the kasra. So here you see Muhammadin. Yeah. You can have a go at this yourselves. Maktabun al-mudarrisu, maktabul mudarrisi, desk of the teacher. Qalamu Hamidin, pen of Hamid. Miftahul bayti, key of the house. Yeah, Alif Lam gives the meaning of the Baytu Abbasin, house of Abbas. Dukkanu Tajiri, shop of the businessman. Ghurfatu Aliyin, room of Ali. And remember the mudaf, the item that is possessed, will not have a tanween, number one, and it will not have alif lam. So here look, we can't say ghurfatun aliyin, yeah. No, the mudaf will not have a tanween and it will not have an alif lam. So these are two things you need to remember about the item that is possessed. Yeah, when we look at the possessive form, possessive case, possessive phrase, murakkab idafi, the mudaf will not have an alif lam, number one, and its ending, its final letter will not have a tanween. So ghurfatu aliyin, ghurfa is mudaf, ali mudaf ilayh, room of Ali. Baytul muhandisi, house of the engineer. Daftaru Sa'idin, register of Sa'id. Ismul waladi, name of the boy. Mindilu Yasirin, okay, Mindil is handkerchief, the handkerchief, yeah, handkerchief of Yasir. Kitabullahi, book of Allah. Qamithu Ammarin, shirt of Ammar. Bintu Tabibi, Bint is daughter, so daughter of the doctor. Tabib is doctor. Yeah. Sariru Khalidin, bed of Khalid. Miftahu Sayyarati, key of the car. So we will stop there, and insha'Allah ta'ala in the next lesson we will continue with this lesson number 5, Madinah Arabic Reader Book 1. Continue to revise watch the previous lessons, make notes, and please do give me your feedback. Remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.